You've probably seen the ads for colostrum, or you've heard different influencers swearing up and down that it's a miracle product. But what does it actually do, and what is a trusted source that you can get it from? Well, I'm so excited today to be partnering with Inno Supps. They're one of my absolute favorite supplement brands. I really trust their formulas. They have science-backed research. Everything I've tried from them in the past, I feel like the product actually lives up to the claims. Sometimes with supplements, you don't know what you're getting, but Inno Supps, I really trust. So I'm so happy to be trying their Colostra formula. So it's literally just one pill that provides benefits for immunity, digestion, skin, energy, and recovery. Okay, so let's check it out. I'm curious to see the size of it, because I mean, I don't really mind swallowing pills, but that's actually so small. So you just take one of these a day. So one of these would be your 30-day supply. You can choose online. It looks like they come in different bundles. And then they also, right now, they're doing a special gift. So when you order the Colostra, you actually get Super NAD Plus, the InnoFast app, and a mystery gift. So that's super fun. Yeah, so basically it's a 1 month supply, 3 month supply, or 6 month supply. And obviously if you order more, each bottle ends up being a little less expensive, and they have a 30-day money back guarantee. I know one concern with colostrum is that sometimes people worry about the baby calves, but they only collect the colostrum from calves that are fully fed. So basically they're upcycling the extra so that it doesn't go to waste. So I really appreciate that. I am an animal lover, and I definitely would not want to be, you know, getting a supplement if I know that I'm harming an animal as a result. So that definitely gives me a little bit of peace of mind. Okay, so what does it actually do? The number one benefit that I am looking forward to is skin that glows from the inside out. It actually is going to support your skin health, helps hydrate, repair, and smooth your skin from the cellular level. So, you know, I'm not getting any younger. I definitely am looking for the skin benefits above all else. I would love to just see that radiance. Another thing that's really exciting is proactive immune defense. As we're going into winter, it's already fall, and I feel like people are already out sick from work, and I'm just like, ew, stay away from me with your germs. So I definitely am excited for a little bit more immunity. So it doesn't just fight symptoms, it helps stop problems before they start by teaching your immune system how to identify and eliminate threats fast. It also will rebuild your gut from the inside out. So if you have a problem with bloating or anything like that, slow digestion, it's engineered to balance your microbiome, reduce gut discomfort, and get things moving naturally. I don't think I have major gut problems. I actually am going to be doing a test to see. So I don't think that will be like connected to this video at all. But you know, if that's something, if you struggle with bloating or something like that, then it sounds like this could really help. It's also no powders and no mess, so you just have the one capsule, which is nice. I mean, I do take protein every day. I also sometimes will take collagen, and I always seem to leave the powder trail behind. Like, my husband sometimes makes fun of me, like jokes around with me about it, like, oh, what were you doing this morning? Because there's always like, I don't know what it is, but there's just like always a little bit of powder left behind. So I'm kind of glad this isn't like another like drink thing that I have to mix, because clearly I can't handle that as it is. So I don't need to add any more of that. So that's really great, just to take a capsule of this, boom, bang, you're done. And I'm really interested in the findings. So they had a human trial with 100 participants, and those that used the daily super colostrum, 68% increased their daily energy, 48% saw an improvement in vitality and stamina, 48% saw a boost in skin hydration and glow, you know that's gonna be me, and 32% had improvement in digestion and gut comfort. So I love that. I am really looking forward to the benefits. I think that's going to be amazing. It's tasteless, it's odorless, it is heat and acid resistant so that it won't break down in your stomach. And has 7 times bioactive power, so it's really going to absorb. You're actually going to get the benefits that they say, whereas like some formulas, you take it and then it doesn't actually do anything. Another thing I noticed, Inno Supps always has really innovative formulas and they add things to just make it work better. So this has the estrogen, which is Asian ginseng and astragalus root, and that's actually going to help it to absorb better and faster so that you're getting those results that you're looking for. So I am so excited about this. I have been curious about colostrum for some time now. I have tried one that was like a liquid. I just had like a sample of it, so I couldn't really see like did it actually do anything. So I'm really excited about having a full 30-day supply. So you can definitely try it out as well if you're interested. I'll have it linked below. And if you do order, remember you get those 3 gifts, which is so nice. So you'll get the NAD plus, you'll get the app, and you'll get the mystery gift. And I really feel like now is the perfect time to just harness the best health, like going into winter especially, but also like closing out this year. I really just want to be my healthiest self. That's my goal that I'm manifesting, is a healthy mind, body, and soul. So I'm trying to just finish these last couple months strong, and I feel like I'll be going into 2025 looking and feeling great with my new supplement, Colostra. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you to Inno Supps for partnering again. I really love their products and always highly recommend them. Make sure you're subscribed for more, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Have a great day. Stay positive. Bye.